Hello guys, welcome to SS Tech Studios. Today we are reviewing the TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender and a specific RE450 model. Now this Wi-Fi range extender is a AC1750 dual band Wi-Fi range extender. I repeat, it's a range extender, it's not a router, please don't mistake. Now it's a dual band router. It provides a maximum theoretical speed of 1300 megabits per second for the 5 GHz band and a maximum of 450 megabits per second for the 2.5 GHz band. It has a gigabit Ethernet port which is required for the 5 GHz band, otherwise you would not get that for the 1300 megabits maximum. It covers up to 1115 meters squares of area, so it's quite a large area. I primarily bought this because of its large area coverage. So let's see its specifications. It has high speed mode. It is easy to set up and manage. It has even a control access to restrict internet services, and some power scheduling features are also available in this range extender. It has, as seen in the diagram, you can see it has 3 external antennas, secure one-touch connection with WPS. It has signal indicators and gigabit port. So now let's not waste time and start opening the device. So now in the device we get a GNU public license notice. That's a quick installation guide. Now this is by default a Wi-Fi range extender, so you need to have a running Wi-Fi connection in your home so that you can extend the same Wi-Fi network. So what you do is simply open the Tether app, sign in with a username password of TP-Link, then add a range extender to it. You can simply plug in the device and connect any one of the TP-Link extender 2 GHz Wi-Fi or TP-Link extender 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Then visit the http tplink-repeater.net website. Follow the web instructions to set up for the setup. So let's dive into the device and let's see what's inside. How does it look? So here's the device. Quite good packaging, recyclable packaging there. So now taking the peel off, it's a nice decent router. It's quite heavy. It has 3 antennas, 1, 2, and here's the third one. It doesn't come with an adapter, you just have to plug it in the wall. There is your RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port, power 5 GHz and 2.5 GHz indicator, your WPS button and its indicator. In this side you have a reset button, you have a LED button and the power button. This LED button is used to turn off all the lights on your access point if you need it. So that's it. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Guys, please like this video, share this video, comment about this video, and also comment if you want us to do more reviews and unboxing of any more different products. And as for always, subscribe to SS Tech Studios for more videos like this.